సరే నాన్న చేస్తున్నాడు.
Let's go away.
Yes, he's going to do some fireworks. You don't want to go?
No, not to go.
Why Chinni, Nana is doing fireworks?
Why? Why? Let's go away.
Nana is going away, yes. అవును.
Allow me.
Huh?
Inside alone.
You're not alone. Nanamma, Amma, Sarayu, everybody's here. You're not alone.
I am alone.
You're alone? Nana is alone outside. He went out alone. You left him, Nana.
I'm working on Nana's laptop. I'm working.
You're working?
Yeah.
Wow.
On Nana's laptop. This is my laptop.
It's not yours.
That is Nana's laptop. Hey, oh.
This is my laptop. I'm
Chinni,
working.
ఇక్కడ fire is burning.
You want to go?
No. Just want to go and stay with Amma.
ఇదిగో.
Why not? Why don't you want to go?
I don't want Amma.
Amma is also going. Will you go if Amma goes?
Stay with me. Stay with me.